it's Andre. Well, finally, the E-flite OV-10 UMX version is in the hangar, the fleet. I just got back this afternoon from almost a 2-hour round trip to get myself from my office to Great Hobbies here in Ottawa to pick up this sucker, but I'm really excited. I did make use of my time, and yes, this does mean there is an Aero Scout in the future. It's just, it hadn't arrived. It'll probably show up tomorrow. And for those keen eyes, those are some VTA spec tires. We'll talk about the 110 racing and the 128 racing later on. Right now, today, this is what I am very interested and excited about. For those of you who know, I love twin prop planes, and with everything going on right now on the size of the hangar and the fact that I really haven't flown a lot this year, this was perfect. 645 millimeters. Take some 3S. I've already got my stacks of batteries, my adapter. I'll be flying on my old DX9 Black. Yes, all my kit is old, but it still all works, and that's what matters. But I haven't even looked inside this bad boy yet, so you're gonna get to join me in all this. So, first impressions, love the fact that it's gray. Would be awesome if it had been green, but that's you know, that's a minor critique. And with any UMX, as you know, if you really love them, you got to hold in the box, because yes, it takes up a ton of storage space, but it does make transport really handy. Some arsenal, some weapons, some bombs, some tanks, some landing gear. I'll probably run the landing gear. And then, of course, the beast itself. I need a knife. I will say, over the course of owning a few UMXs, the packaging has gotten a lot better. And that's something, it's one of those things where the boxes actually are retainable, and they get good with their mounting brackets and how you put the covers on and everything. Your manual, I will have to set this up. I'm sure if I had a newer radio, I could download a file and it would all be there and handy and ready to go, but hey, who cares? This will take me all of 5 minutes. In fact, I'll probably use my UMX, the Twin Otter, because I'm sure remote-wise and characteristic-wise and rate-wise and everything, it'll be very similar. And I can just port that bad boy over, set my safe on a toggle switch, and off we go. Oh, yes, that looks good. So, I mean, about the box, it only goes in one way. It's got all the notches and everything. Yeah, so ordnance, which is just dry weight, unfortunately, but, you know. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes. This thing is beautiful. Come on, get off there. Right, gone. Oh, I've waited for this thing all day. Hey, it's good to be excited about an airplane because it's been a while. I looked at my log, and I think 2023 was the UMX, one of the UMXs, the Waco, and then I got the Crescendo after, which is just stunning to fly and everything. But this I love. Love OVTs, OV-10 Broncos, and I love twin prop aircraft. So this is like check, and it's 3S. Wow, this is stunning. You've seen all the other reviews. I'll go flying. This is as far as I'm going to do, opening the box and having a peek at it. But hey, I'm just glad to share some excitement and be, you know, energized to go flying again, which is good. Life is good when Andre gets to go flying. Thanks for watching.